Hello everyone, my name is Zed, and let me ask you a question. Do you find yourself sending files to the same person or uploading to the same massive portal at the end of every day? Do you find yourself having to download files from the same massive portal every single morning? Well, let me show you how you can automate all of those mundane tasks using the MASV app. Let's go through the two types of automations that are available in the MASV app. The first are watch folders. A watch folder is a specific folder on your computer that the MASV app will watch. Anytime something is added to the watch folder, the MASV app will automatically upload it to a predefined recipient or to a specific MASV portal. If you want to learn more about portals, we do have a full video on our channel with everything you'll ever need to know, so make sure to check that out. This is really helpful if you're a VFX artist and you need to send a render to a team member. You just drag it right into the folder and move on with your day. Save you some time, save you some hassle. The second type of automation is a portal download. This allows the MASV app to automatically download anything that is in a MASV portal directly to your computer. Very helpful if you have to wait for a dailies to do your job. Now, you just get to your desk and get started right away. So let's go through how to set these up. Before we get started on how to set up automations, you will need the MASV Desktop App. It is available for macOS, Windows, and Linux. The download link will be in the video description down below. The first automation we are going to set up is a Send Watch folder. To do that, let's select the Automations tab, and then select the Send button. We'll have the following fields to fill out. The first is the automation name. A name is a unique identifier so that you know which automation is triggering within the automations list and for quick reference within the automations list as well. In this case, we'll call ourselves the Send YouTube Demo. The next option is what team you'd like to send your files through. In this case, we're going to just select our default team. The next is which folder you would like the MASV app to watch. I've already set up some folders here that we can use. In this case, we'll use Files for editing. The next option is how often you would like the MASV app to check this watch folder. By default, it is set up for 5 minutes. You can make it as low as 1 minute or as high as 59. In this case, I will leave it at 59 minutes. Under the advanced options, you have the ability to delete files after they've been uploaded through the MASV watch folder. You will also have the ability to send top-level single files as individual packages. The last advanced option is ignored files and paths. After you're done filling out all this information, you can close the advanced tab and hit the continue button. The next form is for the package details. You will have to add all your recipients. In this case, we're going to add Ankit, who edits all these videos. Thank you, Ankit. Next, you can add a suffix to the package. This is not mandatory, but it does add extra information. In this case, we're going to do automation video. Now, Ankit will know that anything with automation video attached to the package is for our automation video. Next, you can add a message for extra context. In this case, we're going to tell Ankit that he's doing a great job. You can also change the default down limit as well as add a download password. Once you're done with this, you can hit Create. Let's navigate back to the Automations tab, select New Automation, and hit the Send to Portal button. From here, let's give our automation a name. Just like before, the name is a unique identifier that will be used in the transfer list and the automation list so that you know which automation is which. In this case, I've called ours the Awesome Watch folder so that we know this is only for cool stuff. Next, let's enter in the portal subdomain. I've already created a portal and I've called it the MASV YouTube project. Next, we will select the folder that we'd like the MASV app to watch. Just like before, I have a folder already set up, so we're going to select that one. It is called Secret Video. Shh. This is for all the spicy stuff that MASV has coming down the line, so make sure to keep everything you see a complete secret. Just like before, you can select how often you'd like the MASV app to watch this folder. In this case, we're going to drop it all the way down to 1 minute. And just like before, you have the different advanced options. You can select these or leave them completely disabled for now. Next, let's hit the Continue button. This next form is for information for the portal owner, so that they know who sent the package as well as any extra context that you, the sender, want to give them. In this case, my email has been added. I will also add a suffix and a message for extra context. In this case, we will remind the portal owner that these packages have very spicy content in them. Once you're done, hit the Create button. And just like that, we've already set up 2 watch folders. The next automation we are going to set up is our Receive automation. To do that, let's select Automations, New Automation, and the Receive button. First, you're going to want to give your automation a name. Just like before, this name will be a unique identifier used in the transfer list as well as the automation list. This will allow you to know which automation is which. In this case, we'll name ours YouTube Download Demo. Next, select the team that you'd like to see the portals of. Then you can select the portal. Keep in mind that the portal list will only show the portals for the selected team. If you have multiple teams, you may need to change teams to see the desired portal. Next, you can choose where the packages will get downloaded. In this case, we'll leave it in the Downloads folder. The next option allows you to choose when you would like to start downloading. You can choose a future date or a past date. In this case, I'm going to choose August 2nd, 2021. What this means is any packages uploaded to the portal after August 2nd, 2021 will be automatically downloaded once this automation is created. Once you're done this, hit the Create button. And just like that, the automation has been created. To demonstrate the watch folder, what we are going to do is take in our automation video files, drag them into our watch folder, and put them in the secret video folder. If you remember, this is the folder that the MASV app is watching for our portal watch folder. If we navigate back to the MASV app, after 1 minute, we will see the transfer start. And just like that, the MASV app has started uploading all the files with no human intervention directly to that portal. As you can see, the package name suffix was added to the name of the package. In this case, spicy content. The owner of the portal now knows for sure that this is some good stuff, and our next YouTube video is going to be even cooler. By automating mundane tasks such as uploading and downloading, the MASV app enables creators to work faster and smarter. If you've yet to try MASV and would like to give it a shot, there'll be a link in the video description down below for a free trial. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe down below. Stay safe and happy creating.